Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a closer look at the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop, a powerful all-in-one cleaning solution designed for both vacuuming and mopping. This robot promises up to 75 days of hands-free maintenance with its innovative features. The self-emptying base, hot water mop washing, and anti-tangle technology are just a few of the standout features. Let's see how well it performs in real-world scenarios. The Eureka J15 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop comes packed with features that are designed to make your cleaning routine more efficient. With an impressive 16,200 pH of suction power, this vacuum aims to handle everything from fine dust to embedded dirt in carpets and rugs. The vacuum's advanced aluminum fan ensures that it not only provides deep cleaning performance, but also helps with heat dissipation, allowing for more sustained use without overheating. The vacuum's suction performance is especially crucial for tackling dirt in hard-to-reach crevices, and with its ability to clean multiple floor types, whether it's hardwood, tile, or carpet, it's built to meet the needs of most homes. One of the biggest selling points of the J15 Pro Ultra is its innovative 8-in-1 functional base. This base does a lot more than just charge the vacuum. It also empties debris, refills the water tank, and performs hot water mop washing and drying. The hot water washing process, which operates at a temperature of 75 degrees Celsius, 167 degrees Fahrenheit, helps to sanitize the mop pads, reducing mold and mildew buildup. After washing, the mop pads are dried using 55 degrees Celsius, 131 degrees Fahrenheit heated air, ensuring they're ready for the next cleaning session. This self-cleaning system is a major convenience, saving you time and effort. The mop function, combined with a rounded square body and flex arm design, allows the J15 Pro Ultra to clean closer to the edges of walls and furniture, ensuring that no mess is left behind. The vacuum and mop combo works effectively on all surfaces, whether you're dealing with dry dirt or wet spills. The flex arm mop design extends to tight corners and hard-to-reach areas, so it's not just the edges that are cleaned. Stubborn dirt and stains get removed as well. Another area where the J15 Pro Ultra excels is in its anti-hair tangling technology. Thanks to the Flexirazor brushroll, which operates at 400 cuts per minute, it reduces hair tangles by 99%. This is particularly helpful for homes with pets, as it prevents hair from wrapping around the brushroll, ensuring optimal performance without the need for frequent brush maintenance. The vacuum is also equipped with intelligent dirt detection, which automatically adjusts its cleaning method depending on the mess it encounters. When the J15 Pro Ultra detects wet messes, it prioritizes mopping to ensure proper cleaning. For dry debris, it adjusts its side brush speed to prevent the spread of messes while focusing on deep cleaning. This adaptability ensures that the vacuum performs optimally in various cleaning scenarios. Now let's talk about real-world usage. Setting up the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra is straightforward, and once it's running, it's easy to monitor via its intuitive controls. The vacuum works efficiently across different floor types, but it really shines on hard floors where the mop feature comes into play. On carpets, the strong suction ensures a deep clean, lifting even embedded dirt and pet hair with ease. The vacuum does well with fine dust and crumbs on hard floors, but the real test comes with pet hair. In homes with pets, hair often becomes a major issue, but the J15 Pro Ultra's anti-tangle technology keeps things under control. It also handled cleaning on stairs, upholstery, and car interiors quite well, especially when using the mop function, though it may struggle with steep inclines. One of the key concerns with robot vacuums is maneuverability, especially in tight spaces. Fortunately, the J15 Pro Ultra's compact design, paired with its flex arm mop, allows it to clean around and under furniture effectively. However, the vacuum might encounter some difficulty if furniture is particularly low to the ground, and its ability to navigate around complex obstacles like cords or cluttered spaces may require a bit of manual intervention. In terms of noise, the J15 Pro Ultra operates at a reasonable level. While it's not entirely silent, it's quieter than many standard vacuum cleaners, which is a big plus if you're trying to clean while still having a conversation or watching TV. As far as maintenance goes, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra's self-emptying base does most of the heavy lifting. The vacuum's dustbin is emptied automatically, and it doesn't require frequent cleaning, which is a big advantage for anyone looking to minimize the hassle of maintaining their vacuum. The mop pads, however, do require periodic washing and drying, though this is mostly handled automatically by the base. So is the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra worth its price tag? Considering its combination of vacuuming, mopping, and self-cleaning functions, it offers good value for money, especially for those with large homes or busy households. The 16,200 PA suction power is strong enough for most cleaning tasks, and the added features, such as the Anti-Tangle brushroll and smart dirt detection, make it a solid performer across a range of scenarios. When comparing it to other robot vacuums in the market, there are a few alternatives worth considering. Some models offer similar suction power, but they may not have the added mopping capability or the self-cleaning base. If you're looking for something focused solely on vacuuming, there are cheaper models available, but they might lack the versatility and ease of maintenance that the J15 Pro Ultra offers. On the other hand, if you're willing to spend a bit more, other premium models might offer additional features such as mapping or enhanced navigation, but again, they may not include the same level of hands-free maintenance. The build quality of the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra feels solid, with premium materials used throughout. The dustbin and mop pads are easy to maintain, and the flex arm mop design feels sturdy and reliable. The vacuum's longevity will likely depend on how often it's used and maintained, but Eureka's reputation for durability suggests this model should hold up well over time. In terms of customer support, Eureka has a reputation for providing helpful assistance when needed. While I haven't had any direct interactions with their customer service regarding this specific model, the brand's general reputation for responsiveness and good after-sales service is something to keep in mind. For those of you looking for a vacuum that can take care of both dry and wet messes with minimal effort, the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is a strong contender. It's perfect for those with busy homes, large spaces, or anyone looking to minimize cleaning time while ensuring a deep clean. It might not be the best choice for smaller spaces or those who don't want to deal with a larger upfront cost, but for most households, it delivers great value and performance. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested in the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra, you can find the link to get it in the comments box. If you've already tried this vacuum, feel free to share your thoughts and experiences. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss our future reviews. Goodbye till next time, and remember, at Reviewsinside TV, we clean up the mess so you don't have to.